Alright, hello my wonderful students. This is part 3 of foldable number 4, which just so happens to be the last foldable or the last video of the section of 6.5. Alright, for this one, same thing. We're going to be isolating the variable, or sorry, isolating the radical. This one anyways, simplifying this radical and then solving for the rest of it. So we're going to plus square root of x to both sides. Leaving us just with the square root of x plus 9. This goes to 0, so equals to square root of x plus 1. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to, wrong color. We're going to square both sides. The x plus 9 is going to simplify with the power and the square root, leaving us just with x plus 9. This is going to be equal to, we're going to do that over here again. We're going to have our square root x and our plus 1, and then our square root x and our plus 1. We're going to go ahead and get x here. This is going to be square root x, and then our plus 1. We're going to add these two together again, and we're going to get x plus 2 square root x plus 1. Now we're going to go ahead and subtract the 1 and the x over to the other side. So we're going to subtract x, subtract 1, subtract x, subtract 1. X's go to 0, leaving us just with 8, equal to, goes to 0, 2 square root x goes to 0. Divide by 2, we get 4 is equal to, simplifies just to square root x. This ended up being actually pretty simple. It's good way to finish off. So we're going to square both sides to get rid of the square root, and we're left with 16 is equal to x, or x is equal to 16. Now we're going to go ahead and check for extraneous solutions. And we'll plug this into our original equation, our x equals 16 here. So we have the square root of 16 minus 9, or sorry, plus 9, minus the square root of 16 equals 1. So this ends up being the square root of 25 minus the square root of 16 equals 1. So square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 16 is 4. And it does indeed, 5 minus 4 does indeed equal 1. So this is our solution. So our solution is x is equal to 16.